Jiro's Vlog, and nandito tayo sa Baguio City and medyo maulan and hindi tayo makalabas. So dito lang tayo, chill, ganun. So sa Baguio guys, medyo maulan and malamig, perfect pang mamimili and chill vibes. So ngayon, chill ako. Siyempre, nagigitara ako. Okay, so hininto ko na muna yung paggigitara kasi medyo piyok and pinapractice ko pa yan and saktong chill muna habang nagsusulat. For now, so maybe hopefully sometime we can go out and enjoy the vibe of Baguio City. So for today, that's it. And if you like this kind of video, kindly subscribe and like and follow and hit that notification bell para lagi kang updated sa ating Kuya Jiro's Vlog. So I'm out.